welcome to another video on my channel. In this video I'm gonna film a quick unboxing of the new item I purchased from Louis Vuitton. But before we get into the video, I just want to say, in case you happen to be new here, hello to you too. I want to introduce myself. My name is Marie and I make new videos every single week. So I do a lot of unboxings, I do reviews, I also do comparison videos, and I talk a lot about designer handbags. So if you are a luxury lover too, it would mean so much to me if you would consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any future videos of mine. Alright guys, now let's get into the unboxing. As I already told you in my last video, I was able to get one item from my wish list. By the way, if you haven't watched my latest video, definitely check it out. It was a shopping vlog and I took you to Louis Vuitton with me, and I also went to Chanel. So if you want to see what they currently have in the stores, definitely check out my latest video. I will have a link down in the description box. I did get one item, as I already said, so let's unbox it. I'm super excited to show it to you. It is a small item, but I think it is so cool. So it is in this orange Louis Vuitton bag. And by the way, they always give me these perfume samples, which is so nice. I really like it. I personally love their Rose Devant perfume. It is so good, so definitely check it out if you're on the hunt for a good perfume. And inside is this little box. So I already said it is a small item. I got a pair of sunglasses. I'm so excited to show them to you. They come with this actually huge booklet. It is so huge. I've never had a huge booklet like this. So let's get into the good stuff. So here is the case. Let me put this box aside. So here's the case, and this is actually my first pair of Louis Vuitton sunglasses. I personally am a huge lover of Cartier sunglasses and I really like their quality. So I really was unsure if I should get these because the quality definitely isn't as good as my Cartier ones, but I love the look of them. So here you can see the box. I think the box is so beautiful. And on the inside, by the way, it is magnetic, so really cool. And on the inside it looks like this, and my sunglasses are still in there, so let's get them out. So here are my new sunglasses. Aren't these so gorgeous? I love them, guys. These are the Louis Vuitton Party sunglasses. That's their name, and I think they are just so pretty. Aren't these the prettiest? I love them with all the monogram all over. I think these are so cool, and I think it is just such a twist to a classic pilot sunglass, especially since these have the monogram all over and also these studs. So I think that makes them really cool. I really like them. Let me try them on too so you can see how they look on me. And also, if you're interested in a comparison to my Cartier pilot sunglasses, definitely let me know down in the comments below. I would love to film one. So here you can see how I look with my sunnies on. Aren't these so gorgeous? I love the look of them. I think they are so beautiful and so classy, even though they are so special and unique too. On each stud, I don't know if you can see it, maybe it will focus, but it has a LV logo on each stud, and it also says Louis Vuitton on here, which is super nice. I really like the matte black from the sunglass with the tinted glasses. I think these are so pretty and I can't wait to wear them. So guys, these sunglasses, which are called the party sunglass, retail for 520 euro. I think the price is quite okay considering that these are so unique looking, but quality wise they definitely don't compare to my Cartier sunglasses, but my Cartier ones cost over 800, so there's definitely a price and a quality difference there, but still I love these so much. I love that the design is really classy because of the pilot sunglass shape, but yet again it is so unique because of the monogram and also because of the black studs. So I really like this one and I'm super happy that I have it in my collection. I sent a picture to a friend of mine and she asked me if I wear them. I only see the monogram logo, but so in case you were wondering too, no, you don't see the monogram at all when you're wearing it. Only people that look at you see the monogram, but when you wear them they just look like a normal sunglass. So I think that's really cool and I just love the look of them. They are definitely a really great fashion accessory and I can't wait to wear them. Alright guys, that is already it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing this quick unboxing of my new Louis sunglasses. I'm super happy with this purchase and I can't wait to wear them. I might wear them later today. So I really love them so much and I think they are a great fashion accessory. If you like Louis Vuitton, it would mean so much to me if you would give this video a thumbs up, and also while you're down there, please also consider subscribing to my channel. As I already mentioned in the beginning, I make new videos every single week and I would love to have you back. See you soon. Bye guys.